Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Spotify pie chart. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to click on the link in the description. So I'm going to put that link here in Google and you need to search that link. And then you need to click on login to Spotify. And then you need to first log in your account by putting your detail. Okay, and then you need to click on login, and here you need to read that and click on agree. And here you can see your Spotify pie chart. Because I not use Spotify, so that's why my chart is not showing, but you can see your Spotify pie chart here. So this is the process by which you can see your Spotify pie chart. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.